Welcome to Diary of a Globetrotter. Join us on an adventure around the world as we explore new cultures, uncover hidden gems, and make memories that last a lifetime. Subscribe now, and let's embark on this journey together. Hey there, welcome to Madrid, the vibrant capital of Spain, where history meets modernity in a perfect blend. Today, we're diving into the top 10 things you absolutely must do when you're in this incredible city. And guess what? We've mapped out a seamless route so you can make the most of your time without backtracking. So let's kick things off right here in the heart of Madrid, in the Sol area. First up, we've got Puerta del Sol, where the energy is absolutely electric. This spot isn't just a transit hub, it's like the beating pulse of Madrid, with its iconic bear and the strawberry tree and clock tower. Starting your day at Sol is the perfect kickoff for your Madrid adventure. We stayed at Hotel Europa and were enamored by its views and convenient access to all the must-visit spots. Trust me, any decent hotel in this area is a win. And before you set out on your explorations, make sure to fuel up at Café Sanguin with their heavenly chocolate and churros combo. It's the quintessential Madrid experience you won't want to miss. From here, we're gonna wander southwest along Calle Mayor towards our next adventure. First stop, Plaza Mayor. Plaza Mayor is not just a historic square, it's a living testament to Madrid's rich cultural heritage. Dating back to the 17th century, this grand plaza has witnessed centuries of history unfold within its elegant arcades and majestic facades. Originally designed by architect Juan Gómez de Mora, Plaza Mayor has served as the backdrop for royal proclamations, markets, festivals, and even bullfights. Surrounded by stunning buildings adorned with frescoes, the square exudes an undeniable charm, drawing locals and visitors alike to its bustling atmosphere. As you stroll through Plaza Mayor, take in the intricate details of the Casa de la Panadería and the Casa de la Carnicería, two iconic landmarks that flank the square. Oh, by the way, Botin, the oldest continuous running restaurant in the world, is close by. Today, Plaza Mayor remains a vibrant hub of activity, with street performers, artists, and vendors adding to its lively ambiance. Whether you're sipping coffee at one of the outdoor cafes, browsing the souvenir stalls, or simply people watching, Plaza Mayor offers a glimpse into Madrid's past while embracing its vibrant present. It's a must-visit destination for anyone exploring the Spanish capital. From Sol, it's just a short walk southwest to reach Plaza Mayor. Next up, Mercado de San Miguel. This historic market, dating back to the early 20th century, is a food lover's paradise, offering a sensory journey through the diverse flavors of Spanish cuisine. What sets Mercado de San Miguel apart is its vibrant atmosphere and architectural beauty. Housed within a stunning iron-framed structure, the market's ornate design and glass walls create a picturesque backdrop for culinary exploration. As you step inside, you're greeted by a tantalizing array of stalls and counters, each showcasing a tempting selection of fresh produce, gourmet delicacies, and traditional Spanish dishes. From succulent jamón ibérico to plump olives and creamy cheeses, Mercado de San Miguel invites you to sample the best of Spanish gastronomy in one convenient location. Whether you're craving classic tapas, indulgent sweets, or innovative fusion cuisine, you'll find it all here, prepared with passion and expertise by local vendors. But Mercado de San Miguel is more than just a place to eat, it's a cultural experience. Join the bustling crowds as they mingle, chat, and savor the flavors of Spain, creating a lively atmosphere that's as infectious as it is enjoyable. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or simply curious to taste the essence of Madrid, a visit to Mercado de San Miguel promises to be a memorable culinary adventure. Luckily, it's just a stone's throw away from Plaza Mayor, so you won't have to wander far. Now, let's make our way to the majestic Royal Palace. As one of the largest palaces in Europe, it's a must-see attraction in Madrid. Marvel at the opulent rooms, expansive gardens, and stunning architecture that showcase the grandeur of Spanish royalty. From Mercado de San Miguel, head west along Calle Mayor, and you'll find the palace waiting for you. After exploring the Royal Palace, take a leisurely stroll to the tranquil Temple of Debo. This ancient Egyptian temple offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. Situated in a beautiful park overlooking Madrid, it's the perfect spot to relax and enjoy a picturesque sunset. Simply head north from the Royal Palace and you'll soon find yourself at this hidden gem. Next on our list is the iconic Plaza de España. This sprawling square is dominated by a monument to Miguel de Cervantes, the famous Spanish writer. Take a moment to admire the impressive statue and surrounding architecture before continuing your journey. From the Temple of Debod, head east along Calle Ferraz until you reach Plaza de España. Now, let's dive into the bustling energy of Gran Via, Madrid's main thoroughfare. This iconic street is lined with shops, theaters, and restaurants, making it the perfect place for a leisurely stroll or some retail therapy. From Plaza de España, simply head northeast along Gran Via, and you'll be right in the heart of the action. Retiro Park. Oh, how do I even begin to describe this lush oasis of tranquility amidst the bustling metropolis of Madrid? It's like finding a slice of paradise in the concrete jungle, a green haven where you can escape the chaos and reconnect with nature. Imagine this: towering trees casting cool shadows under the Spanish sun, tranquil lakes inviting you to channel your inner romantic or Titanic enthusiast while renting a rowboat. The gardens sprawl out like an endless green carpet, inviting you to wander for miles. And amidst it all, the local residents. Squirrels darting among the branches, ducks gracefully paddling in the water. And if you were not lucky enough to visit when we were there, here is a glimpse of unintentional comic relief provided by my wife, as reliable as ever. But wait, there's more. The Crystal Palace in Retiro Park. Prepare to be dazzled. Picture a gleaming structure of glass and iron, nestled amidst the lush greenery of Madrid's beloved Retiro Park. Built in the late 19th century, this architectural gem transports you to a world of elegance and refinement. Step inside, and you'll find yourself enveloped in a luminous space flooded with natural light, thanks to the expansive glass walls and lofty ceilings. It's like stepping into a fairy tale palace, where every corner holds a new marvel to behold. So, whether you're looking for a scenic spot to relax and recharge, a picturesque backdrop for your Instagram feed, or just a chance encounter with a comedic duo, hint, my wife and I, Retiro Park has got you covered. Just remember to bring your sense of humor and maybe a picnic basket or two. It's the perfect place to unwind before continuing. Next, let's dive into the rich artistic heritage of Spain at the Prado Museum. Home to thousands of masterpieces by renowned artists such as Velázquez, Goya, and El Greco, it's a treasure trove of Spanish art history. Spend some time wandering the halls and marveling at the incredible works on display. From Retiro Park, head northeast along Paseo del Prado, and you'll soon arrive at the museum. Finally, we circle back to where we began our journey, Puerta del Sol. This bustling square is not only the geographical center of Madrid, but also a vibrant hub of activity day and night. Take some time to soak in the atmosphere, grab a souvenir, or enjoy a meal at one of the nearby restaurants. It's the perfect way to end your Madrid adventure. And there you have it, folks. The top 10 things to do in Madrid, all conveniently mapped out in a circular route starting from Seoul. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow travelers, and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy travels.